Hello, to traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So, apologies about the lighting at the moment. We're just getting that fixed. But what's more important is where the dollar is moving at the moment, and it's having a little bit of a weakness across the board. We're looking on currency pairs today because we were looking possibly for the euro dollar to pair to start going towards parity. It's been stuck at the 104 level. We've got inflation data later today for the European zone, but let's just go back on the dollar on the daily chart at the moment, and you can just see the trajectory in the last few months of the dollar, really progressive against most of its well, the vast majority of its competitors. You know, the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, the pound, and obviously the euro. We're just seeing now that price action is still bearish. We have had a bit of uptick in price action, you know, at the 102 mid-level. So roughly about 130 to 140 pips being moved to the upside. But we're just seeing now that prices are just bouncing away from parity. So where do we go from here with the euro dollar? We're just waiting to see now, as you can see here. Parity just pointing out at the one level. We didn't see that level for quite some time, going all the way back to the back end of 2022. So just over 2 years ago. But it's not out of the realm that we will not see it again. But where do you think the euro dollar is going? Obviously, a lot of information coming out. Got the NFP data later on in this week on Friday. So just waiting to see if price action moves a little bit lower, and where will the Fed turn as well if we do see more of this progressive dollar nature. On the flip side of that, though, we are looking for this Trump administration. What is Donald Trump going to do in his first 100 days? Is he going to turn the dollar around? Is he going to start really progressively moving a bit lower? And where will we go from here? Lots of exciting times, and the Fed is really expected to start calling the shots and start moving as well. Dollar yen, we just want to have a brief touch upon as well. I had a lot of questions about the dollar yen because we are hitting some firm resistance now, roughly around the 158 level. So if we do manage to pierce that particular level, we will be seeing more of an upside value. Now we're just seeing a V-shaped recovery, not completely V, but you know, we are seeing now that price action could start returning roughly to the 161, 162 area. So just a couple of hundred pips to go. Not too far if you think there's such a host of news. Got services PMI data this week, FOMC minutes as well to give us more of an outlook, and obviously the non-farm payroll data on Friday, which is to give the Fed possibly a bit of a headache as to where it's going to go next. So let me know where you think the dollar is going. Where are we struggling to meet? And what do you think for currency pairs to look out for in the next few trading sessions? So thank you very much for joining me. As usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel, so feel free to like, subscribe, leave a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.